In this video, I'll be showing you my Email Videos Pro review. So in a nutshell, Email Videos Pro is a cloud-based application that lets you play your videos inside the emails which you're going to send. And how it is going to do that, it is going to give you a code which you have to put in your emails, and that I will be showing you later on in this video. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Email Videos Pro. I'll be also showing you my bonuses which I've compiled for you guys if you decide to pick up Email Videos Pro using the link which is in the description down below. And I'm going to show you the different price points for Email Videos Pro, and finally I'm going to tell you if this product is a good fit for you or not. And in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So if you've been doing email marketing, then you know that if you have to send a video, whether that video is some training video, your sales video or anything, you have to put that on a page, or you have to send them the link, or you have to send it somewhere some other way, either by putting on a GIF which they have to click and that video is going to play. But what this application Email Videos Pro does, it gives you a code which you can generate a code from within this application, and you just have to put the code in your autoresponder, and that will allow you to send the exact video right inside the email inbox. So let me just take you inside the members area of Email Videos Pro and give you the exact demo how it is going to work. So this is how the members area looks like once you log into the dashboard, and you have to go into my campaigns straight away, and here all your campaigns are going to be displayed. I've already created a couple of campaigns which are showing over here, and in order to create a campaign you need to click on new campaign, and here you need to give a title. So I'll just give test one, click continue, and here now it will give you the option to upload the video. So you can either upload the video from your computer, you can also use the built-in library that I'll be showing you just in a minute, and you can also upload the video from YouTube by just giving the URL. You can do it from Dropbox, Wistia, Vimeo. And going into the library, it has got a built-in video template inside it. So let's just say you want to search for beach, just an example. So you will get all these videos from within the video library itself. And let's just select a video over here and just click on choose video. It is going to render the video, and then it will give you a couple of options. Continue to editor. So from here you can edit the video further from within the application. If you have to add an image, add a text, or trim the video, you can add a shape, or you can also add audios right from within the application itself. And once you're happy with the editing, or you just have to click on skip and get my embed code, and then it will give you this kind of a dashboard here. You can adjust the height and the width of the video which is going to be displayed inside the email which you're going to send, and you can remove the logo from the player. You can also disable the logo. You can add player and controls, and you can also put text on the video, and you can also update the image, the image which is going to be shown inside the other person email. And once you're happy, then just click on get embed code. It is going to generate a code and give it to you, and it's going to do its thing. Okay, then it will ask you to choose your autoresponder which you're using. So in this list you will find almost all the autoresponders which are available in the market these days, and you just have to pick the one which you are using. So let me just choose Aweber, as that is what I'm using, and then you will get this kind of code. Just need to click on copy to clipboard. And next, what you have to do, you need to go into your autoresponder. So I'm using Aweber, so I'll go into Aweber and create a message, and just put some random text over here, and then I'll just drag one paragraph over here, and I just need to click on source, Here I will just paste my code and I just need to click on OK. And this is how the video will show up. Let's just give a headline, test email, and let me just send a test email and I'll show you how it is going to look like. Let me just send a test message on its way. Let me go to my inbox, refresh it. I've got the test email and it's gonna open up the video here. Let me just refresh. Okay, it was opening. Yep, as you can see, this is the email and this is how the video which you will be sending is gonna displayed here. Again, they do not have to leave their email inbox to watch a video. And they can also download the video. You will get this option of downloading the video. So this is how this is going to work, and I'll be telling you the benefits of it later on in this video. So now let me just take you to my bonus page, and these bonuses which I've compiled, they are going to help you with some of the things which are missing inside this particular software, Email Videos Pro. So, but you need to make sure that you pick up your bonuses before this count on timer runs out. And the number one bonus which I'm going to give to you is 60-minute coaching call with me. So that is going to be 60-minute one-on-one time where we can discuss about anything related to online business, any topic of your choice. If you're stuck somewhere and need some assistance, that is going to be your chance. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you 2000 done for you emails. So if you don't know how to write emails, I've got you covered with 2000 emails. You just have to plug them into your autoresponder and use the code from the Email Videos Pro and you're good to go. Bonus number 3, I'm going to tell you how you can build squeeze pages. Squeeze pages are the pages where you're going to capture the email addresses of people. So this will tell you how you can build squeeze pages. Bonus number 4, I'm going to tell you how you can make money from email marketing. So if you do not know about email marketing and want to get started with email marketing, this is the only training which you need. And the bonus number 5, I'm going to give you another product which is Phoenix, which is a secret method to generate $1,000 passively. And along with that, I'm also going to give you all the upgrades with Phoenix. Bonus number 6, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses right inside the members area, and all your bonuses will be available right inside the JVZoo dashboard once you complete your purchase. This product is going to be launched on JVZoo Marketplace, and all you need to do, just click on any of the button on this page. That will take you to this nice looking sales page. And let's have a look at the headline. It says Smart App plays videos right inside emails to drive massive traffic, conversion and sales for your clients. So that's totally right. It's going to play the videos inside the emails. So if you are sending them a YouTube videos, you can just send it to the entire list and they're gonna watch the video right from their email inboxes. And you can have a look at this sales page once you are ready to make the purchase. Just need to click on any of these green button on this page and to complete the purchase. Now talking about the price point of Email Videos Pro. So the front end, which includes the software and all my bonuses, that will cost you $37, and in those $37 you're also going to get the commercial rights. So basically you can sell the service to different people, different customers. And then there are some optional upgrades. The upgrade number 1 is the unlimited edition of Email Videos Pro. That will cost you $67. So there won't be any restrictions with this. You can do unlimited project, unlimited videos. You're also going to get 80 done for you customizable niche videos. So, and you're also going to get 50,000 high definition stock videos. So I highly recommend you at least pick this upgrade number 1. The upgrade number 2 is the elite version of Email Videos Pro for $67. That will give you some advanced features. You can also play longer videos inside emails. You can do some customization and everything. Upgrade number 3 is the white label rights. So if you want 50 accounts, you just have to pay $147. For unlimited accounts, you have to pay $297. And all these payments are one-time payment. These are not monthly payments. And with unlimited plan, there is a payment option as well, where you can split the payments into 4. And upgrade number 4 is the pro agency marketing kit for $47. So you're going to get the full done for you agency package to sell email video services. So basically, if you're an email marketing agency, digital marketing agency, you can sell the video services to your clients using this particular software. So this is all about the price point of Email Videos Pro, and now talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not. This is a very unique product, and this is the first of its kind. Usually what you get if you have to send a video in an email, then you have to send it by putting them on some page, embed them on a page, or you just keep the link inside the emails, or you send them GIF, and once they click on that GIF, that will open up your video in a separate window. But this is a very unique software that will allow the videos to be played inside the email which you're going to send, and that will bring you more traffic, more sales, more leads, because people do not have to go anywhere. They do not have to click anything. Your video will be right there as soon as they open the email. So that's going to be a huge plus for you guys. So I highly recommend this software to anyone who is into online marketing, email marketing, or if you're into digital marketing agency. It's I definitely recommend this software. Pick this up and let me know the feedback as well. So guys, I hope my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision about Email Videos Pro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.